So for the first time in months we actually got the tripod back from the chapel, and we were able to put the radio somewhere like where it should be. So Harvard 420M, hopefully you've seen the service video. One of these things which somebody, in inverted commas, tweaked up, and it was doing 4.6 watts. But of course, any of you who've been watching these videos, you realise that's not increasing the range, it's just thrashing the set. We've now got a clean signal at 4 watts, and we've brought the receive down from 12 dB cyanide 0.8 microvolts to 0.21 microvolts. So they may have tweaked it up, but they really wrecked the range. So here we go. We will see if Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I am ready.
Have you plugged in your speaker?
Not that ready.
Roger, coming to get me.
Yeah, roger that. I've just pressed record because it may be funny for people to see them. There's ones with orange beaks and the ones with black beaks. I think they're kind of the geese, aren't they, the black beaked ones? Don't know about the others. Are they grey lag?
I don't know. I'll have to make that thing. But I'm all ready for you now.
Yeah, roger that. Off we go.
Received audio because there was a dufff capacitor, so you'll have seen we changed this 100 microfarad capacitor, which restored that, and changed two others which were precautionary, 1000 and 220.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which is in use.
Roger diddly dodger.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. I hiccup them.
I wondered, I thought you'd drop the mic.
Service station, and it's closed.
Alright, seems too noisy tonight on the radio, which is great. I was thinking about dropping mics. You remember the Motorola business radio mics from the 1970s? You wouldn't want to drop those.
No, not in your lap.
Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Absolutely loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round
absolutely loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a half.
Harvard 420M, 1981, Cybernet 134 upper tier chassis with the biggest speaker. Full forward now, full standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, I'm on the Harvard 420M from 1981. Doing full forward output, drone 1.1 amps, we're going to go to low power, preset 400 milliwatt, here we go, 54321. Down 400 milliwatt, 520 milliamps current, we'll go back to full power. There we are, back on full power on our standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger, no problems on full power, low power out over the squelch, override the squelch. You're very noisy but still mostly legible.
Excellent, up you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger. Mobile, anybody copy me? I got 21 in Lincolnshire, UK. 21, Lincolnshire, UK. Yeah, hello, here's 13 Tango India, Mike Mobile. Roger down. Awfully sorry I can't talk to you in the middle. We're right in the middle of a test saver. Sorry, okay, I go in the background, 73. Thank you very much for calling through.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
You going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me for today at that end, please, over?
Yes, still 162.9 and 182.7.
Right, well, that was an absolute treat. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger on that, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me for today at that end, please, over?
Yes, still 162.9 and 182.7.
Right, well that was an absolute treat, thank you very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Right, well there we go, that worked a treat. We've got somebody from Sweden. I can't talk to him, I'm in the middle of a test, and to be quite honest, I'm not interested in DX anyway, so he shouldn't be on UK frequencies in Sweden, but there you go. So I'll go over to our base station, which is the Midland 76900, uses exactly the same chassis as what this radio does.
Tango 21, testing the Harvard 420M with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to go to low power, 400 milliwatts, here we go. We are testing on low power, 400 milliwatts, and the same standard replacement mic. This is a hum test. If there was a hum, it would be reduced on low power and it would come back on high power. There we are back on high power. Now I'm going to swap mics. I'm going to go to the factory original supplied by the customer. Tango 21, testing the factory original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up to low power, there we go, on low power for the same reason. Go back on full power. The next video we'll be doing is realistic 1002 1.5 watt hand portable, which are really high quality at